true to her nature and her style, she comes up looking pretty in pink, and this. I think this is more of your style, isn't it? Quirky yet something different.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
And even for magazines, this is the kind of thing that you like trying. Not the boring ones with gowns or something like that. You always try.
I think magazine depends on the what they have, what the ideas they have, the theme, the cover story, the motive behind the magazine. Every magazine has a story to it and a thought procedure to it. So I think that is always left up to the team.
A lot of interesting pictures have come up, when we see regarding Highway, with you in this really de-glam look, and you're looking disheveled with this little lamp in your hand and all that. But again, those very Kashmiri touches to it. So it all looks very interesting. But did you want to purposely take a character where you would be completely different and go de-glam from what you were, because everybody thought you are this Gucci girl who wouldn't want to do anything else, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I didn't probably think of that I would actually get a film like this to do. At least for my second film, working with Imtiaz, I didn't think that was going to happen. So obviously, when you get an opportunity like this, there is no looking left or right. You're obviously going to go for it. And I said, oh my God, the best film for me to come with my second film, because it's a challenge. It's a different kind of avatar which people will get to see me in. So that was very exciting for me. And as you said, yes, it is de-glam, but the costumes are very interesting. Costumes are done by Aki Narula, and he has, I think, killed it with the costumes, because that you'll see in the film. But I've had a great time. I mean, even if it was de-glam, people may think that an actress does not want to go de-glam or does not want to, shoot without makeup or that kind of, that poise and that posture and this and that. But no, we have a great time doing things like this, and I had a great time.
Is it true? Is Imtiaz a very hard taskmaster, and was it difficult for you in the shoots? I mean, the difficulties you faced. Let's talk about that.
Well, I wouldn't say difficulties, but it is just my second film, so I am not very experienced. I don't know many things about acting, many things about, going through a film like this. But I pushed myself in directions I thought I'd never go physically and mentally. So it did require a lot of pushing from my end. But Imtiaz is not a hard taskmaster at all. He is a delight to work with, and he is, every actor aspires to work with him, and I found out the reason why.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. So there you are. She's honest and herself always. Thank you once again, Alia. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Pramod. Zoom.